Hello everyone, this is the Boker pocket knife. It weighs 237 grams. It is 12.5 centimeters when closed. When open, this is 22.5 centimeters. This is a seat belt cutter, a glass breaker. This is the belt clip to hook it onto your trousers or jeans belt or your pocket. And it's a lock blade. This is how you unlock it and close it. Now, over a period of time, I have got very acquainted and familiar with this, so I can do it with one hand. It's very easy to do it. This lever has to be pushed towards that side with your thumb, and you close it with the first finger. If you're doing it with two hands, this is what I'm doing, pulling the lever towards myself and closing the knife. I will be attaching a few more screenshots along with this video so you can understand in detail. If you like the product demonstration, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. We request you to watch all other product videos also. Thank you.